Hello everyone and welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Before we get started today, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and like my videos. At Jamila's Kitchen today, we will be creating Basbousa, a delicious Egyptian popular dessert well known in Egypt. Here in front of you are the ingredients for Basbousa, and in the description below is the recipe and how to make it step by step. First, you want to mix the semolina flour with the melted butter until completely drenched in butter. Keep mixing and make sure there's no dry semolina flour. We want to make sure the butter is completely mixed in. Now we want to add in the chopped almonds and the dry coconut. So make sure to mix that all in with the semolina flour. For this recipe, we need to make a little bit of thick syrup. So we're adding water, sugar, and some lemon juice. And we're waiting for it to boil. Once it boils, we're going to let it boil for just a little bit and then turn it off and let it cool down before we add it to the recipe. The thick syrup you make should measure out to be 1/3 cup. So you're going to take the sugar, the thick syrup, and the milk, and you want to warm it up until it's hot in the microwave, and then mix it until the sugar has completely dissolved. Add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix until combined. At first, your mix may seem a little watery, but as you continue to mix it together, it's going to thicken and it's going to be the perfect consistency you're looking for Basbousa. Okay, you're going to pour your Basbousa on a greased pan, and using butter or ghee is going to be best instead of anything else. So make sure to spread it out completely in your pan. And then a trick that really evens out the Basbousa is if you bang the pan on the table a few times. Before we bake the Basbousa, we want to cool it in the fridge for about 20 minutes so it thickens up a little more before baking. And when we are ready to bake it, we're going to bake it at 410 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 minutes of baking, your Basbousa should come out golden brown. While your Basbousa is still hot, add your warm syrup and make sure to add all of it. You want to make sure you cover it completely and let it drink the syrup. To make the simple syrup, check out my recipe on my YouTube channel. In the description below, I will make sure to put that. After a few minutes, the Basbousa will soak up the syrup, and then you can brush on the butter to soften the crust. Make sure to brush enough butter because it adds lots of great flavor to the Basbousa. After brushing the butter on the Basbousa, you want it to sit for at least 15 minutes so the crust can soften before you cut it. So this way, when you do cut it, it cuts very smoothly. "15 minutes later, and I'm slicing my Basbousa. Look how soft and easy it is to slice. The butter has softened the crust. You can slice your Basbousa the way you desire. The easiest way to make it is in squares. Some people like to make it diamond shape. Top your Basbousa off with a little bit of cream and pistachios and enjoy. So delicious. Thank you for watching Jamila's Kitchen. If you loved my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook.